Hello, how are you guys? My name is Ed Benedict Ngwenya from Inquisitive Stereo. We're out here at Duduza with the Black Prince, the troublemaker, the king, Ujomo Sono. Thank you so much for gracing us with your presence. Also, namhlanje nakule mdlalo ekhona la eDuduza iDisc 99.
Okay, thank you. Thanks for inviting me to come over.
Yeah, so I mean, Ijomo Cosmos is such a big brand, and you are the defending champion of iDisc 99. How difficult is it for you to come and compete with Amatima Sekasi? Because they doubled their efforts, obviously, now because Bayazo team and the football defending champion on top of that.
Yeah, all the teams they would love to beat Cosmos. Another reason why they would love to beat Cosmos is that they want to come to Cosmos.
Yeah, definitely.
You know, and nami mangishele benchini ngiyenza west ngithela umlilo ngifake paraffin ngoba now mababona mina they go flat out, but it's good. It also makes me to see how far and how good my team is.
That actually brings me to my next question, because you are known for scouting the talent from all over South Africa, and there are so many players. You can go to 96 AFCON winning team, Cosmos. You can go to 98 team, Cosmos. 2002 team that did well World Cup, Cosmos. 2010 World Cup, Chupito Msimane, Cosmos. Assistant coach Aaron Mkwena, the captain. You can go to man. But we don't have all the time in the world to just mention each and every player, because you know the list is endless. I just want to ask you about 5 specific players in terms of how we scouted them, because it was inspire abanye abantu mhlawumbe beyimisele kuma tournament akanjengala. So Usizwe Mntangu noHelman Mkhalele are from Newcastle.
Yeah.
Sithini story sabo? How did you get to meet them?
No, normally every year I have trials at Ground Club. And I remember Usizwe had a problem, and no helmet. They were stuck at a park station, and we got a call.
Yeah.
Bafika and Balele park station. So we had to go and fetch them at the park station, and then we took them to the ground. And from there, it's history. They became top players.
All right, and then there's a player from Cape Town, Mark Williams. He's got the brace. We finally AFCON. How does it get to play for Jomo Cosmos?
Well, Mark Williams was playing in Cape Town, and he was struggling at Cape Town, and I was still playing. And you know, we were short of a striker. We were looking for a striker or quick. And I was still playing number 10. So I spoke to him. I said, "Come down, I'll help you." You know,
Nigama pass.
Yeah, and he scored 19 goals. I had 19 assists. You know?
Wow.
Yeah, and he went overseas after that.
Was the Wolves.
Yes.
He came back, he played for Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah.
Wakora Bafana AFCON ka 1996. Bafethu siphethe umuntu lana odume kakhulu osimazi sonke ukuthi is the best when it comes to scouting talent. Could you possibly see abanye Bafana la sebedlala kuBafana na kwiJomo Cosmos?
Yeah, I think, you know, there's a young boy, I think Umbonile about to Diamond.
Yes, Umbonile.
And there's another one who was wearing jersey number 5, Batugatan. Big boy.
Yes.
Yeah, I think they are going overseas soon.
Wow, that's fantastic. You've heard it from the horse's mouth. So yeah, okay.
They bakulelela since bafikela bana 12.
Wow.
Yeah, both of them, Katande no Diamond.
Yes.
And now they are in the first team. They've been promoted to the first team for the last 2 years. Even this year, we promoted about 7 players straight to the first team. But as you know, that most of them have gone on holiday. You know, it's off-season now.
It's off-season.
But losing the first game today, even last season we did the same. We lost the first game.
Yeah, there's still 6 points to play for.
Yeah, we'll definitely.
Yeah.
Bring all the guns.
All right, let's fly through these names because I've got 3 more names. Arguably the best coach O'Connor in South Africa, Pitso John Hamilton Mosimane, or should I say Dr. Pitso Mosimane. How does it get to play for Jomo Cosmos?
Pitso Mama discover Rockville. He was young man, was 16. Been trained in Rockville, so ngambona ke Rockville long trainer ngayibona le ntwana lokudlala la esigangeni ngathi.
Yes.
Ngathi waye ungazodlala nathi because bengumbona ngana ngathi cross uzodlala nathi. And Pitso has from there ngathi no, let me take you to Cosmos.
All right, Renelwe Yeye Letsolonyane.
You know, it's one of the players who figure under 12.
Job.
Yeah, few Cosmos under 12 years, and he's hey, wakula. Which about 16, some loan out to Free State Stars.
Yes.
And then Wabuya put together was from there he moved. What a player, what a player.
Oh, what a player. He used to play those amazing
What a
passes.
player, yeah.
Wow. And then there's, lastly, I want to ask you about a very interesting player. Youngster, he plays for Skukuna United, Udlali left back, and usekwabizwa nakubafana bafana. His name is Vuyo Letlapa.
Yeah, I'm scouter. I had trials there at Bushbuck Ridge. Actually, by two, Kolobuye Otole, Ababed of the Men award the last 2 games, but
Yes, yes.
he's also my player.
Wow.
Yeah, he's also my player. Abathola boyi-2 le Bushbuck Ridge ngabaletha ngapha. The rest is history, you know. Cosmos sine patience. You know, we're not rushing. We're not looking for results. You know, ours is to develop players.
Yeah, absolutely. Bafethu niyezwa nani kuma-tournament anje imiseleni makunabantu abanjengo Dr. Jomosono nawe ngahle mhlambe uyithole usudlala ku-PSL mhlawumbe usudlala kuBafana Bafana and even overseas because baningi abadlali abawelile bedlala oJomo Cosmos nabo Captain Aaron Mkwena sesibabonile. Thank you so much, legend.
Thank you.
Thank you.